Hello everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take full control over the design and content of your WooCommerce single product pages. This is very easy to do using the theme builder component that is available in the premium version of the aThemes Addons plugin. This is how the product is rendered by default by our current theme, and our goal is to completely replace this using the widgets that are available in aThemes Addons. First of all, we're going to go to the backend. And under aThemes Addons, we're going to click on Theme Builder. We can see here that we can create multiple elements and templates, but at the moment we're interested in product. So we're going to click on Create, and we're going to start designing in the Elementor pop-up. You can scroll down and find all WooCommerce related widgets. Here they are. So we're going to start by adding a product title. I'm just going to drag and drop. Okay, let's select the container, let's add a minimum height to it, maybe like this, center vertically, and let's add some background color to it. Maybe something like this. Now we're going to go back to the widget. We can change the title tag, but we don't want to. It's okay for it to be H1. I'm going to center it and change the color. Of course, I have typography options if I need to. Okay. Now the next thing I want to do is add some breadcrumbs, so I'm just going to use the search. I'm going to look at the aThemes Addons logo here to quickly identify the widgets. And I'm going to drag here. Let's put this on the center. Change the text color. Change the links color. Maybe change the opacity here a bit. Something like this. The hover color if I want to, but we're not going to get into that. Okay. Now, the next thing I want to do is add a container here. So I'm going to add 2 columns, add some padding, maybe like this, and let's add some more widgets. So first of all, I want to add the product images. So here it is. I'm going to drag it here. This just pulls the image from the first product on your website, so we can have some content for the preview mode. Let's move on. I want to add add to cart. So here it is. I also want to add ratings. So the product rating here. Maybe I want to change the button a bit. Of course, you have access to all the styling you could possibly need. So for the stock, for the quantity, for the button itself, or of course if you have variable products, you have plenty of styling options here as well. For group products also, but for the moment I just want to maybe increase the height of the button, so I'm just going to restyle it a bit, add some padding like this, make it bigger. Okay, something like this. Update it. Okay, next up, I'm going to simply go back to the list, scroll down, all the way down to the widgets. So let's see, I want to add some short description here, and I also want to add the product meta. So here it is, I searched for meta, so I'm going to drag it here. Okay, some dividers. Just going to add some dividers. I'm going to separate it like this. Change the color a bit. Maybe also change the gap. Okay. And another one, let's say here. Okay. And yeah, let's go ahead and increase the gap between these columns, and also First of all, center the content vertically. Okay, and let's increase the gap like this between these two columns. Okay. Moving on, I'm going to add another section, and I'm going to display additional information for our product. So you can add the product description like this and also the additional information, but I think it would be better if we would just add the product tabs. Okay, let's also style this section up a bit. So I'm going to add a background color, something like this, maybe some padding, a bit of padding like this. Okay, and now of course we have options available for the widget itself, so you can change various things like the gap between the tabs, or you can change the alignment, you can change the colors. Let's change the colors a bit. Actually, let's change the active color. Something like this maybe. Okay, maybe let's increase the weight for the titles, and of course we have styling options available for the content itself, the tabs content. Okay, so that's it. Let's update. Now we just have to close this pop-up and go to the display conditions and choose where we want to display this template. So I'm going to click here, click on add display condition, and search for product. Here it is, single product. Save the conditions. You don't have to do anything else here. Let's go back, refresh, and here it is. This is our new template. And that's it. Thank you for watching.